Welcome to one and all. This is the last video for that is the uses of the some carbonyl compound, and that will give us idea about what is the use of specific compound here. So we start with the last two compound. There is a vanillin. So already well known compound is there, vanillin, because uh, we if there is a vanillin will come on the picture, that is the cake and ice cream. So vanillin, it is organic compound. It is molecular formula C8H8O3, and it is a phenolic aldehyde, and its functional group is including aldehyde, hydroxy and ether. And we consider here the compound, and it is primarily component of the extract of the vanilla bean. So it is also extracted from the naturally from the vanilla beans, and that will use the vanilla flavor or the vanillin as a compound. So it is largely used in flavoring, usually sweet foods, ice creams, chocolates industry together. They comprise 70% of the market of this vanillin as a flavoring, with a small amount being used in a sweets, baked goods. Vanillin is also used in fragrance industry, in perfumes, and make unpleasant odor or taste in medicine, livestock or food stuff. This can be used, and cleaning products also, and it is also used in a flavoring industry. Important keynote for different flavors, especially creamy profile such as cream soda. Then additionally, vanilla can be used in general purpose of the some stain utilizing spots, thin layer chromatography plates. This stain yield a range of the color of these different compound. So vanillin interact with a different compound in TLC plate and gives the different colors, and that TLC plate separation of the compound gives the separation of the spot with a separate different color spot. So it is also in analysis for the identification of the different separated compound in TLC plate, thin layer chromatography. When, for example, vanillin HCl staining can be used visualizing the localized tannins in the cell. So if we make an extract of the any compound and we put on a TLC plate and separate out different spot, if we want to identify the tannin, so vanillin HCl, if we spray on that plate, it will use the specific color, and that gives the idea about the tannin is present in that. Then vanillin has been used a chemical intermediate in a product in pharmaceutical, cosmetics, and in some other fine chemicals. And in 1970, more than half of the world of vanillin product was used in synthesizing different types of chemicals and flavoring. And then last, there is structure and the uses of the cinnamaldehyde. So cinnamaldehyde is an organic compound with the formula C6H5CH double bond CHCO. So this is of a cyclic intermediate compound. So organic, according to naturally as predominantly the trans E isomer, it gives a cinnamon flavor and odor. So the pale yellow viscous liquid occurs in a bark of the cinnamon tree and other species of the genus cinnamon. Cinnamon. The essential oil of the cinnamic bark is about 90% cinnamaldehyde content. So the uses of the so it can also apart from uses, it can also extracted from the natural origin from the cinnamon and cinnamon bark. So the most obvious application of the cinnamaldehyde is the flavoring and the flavoring as in chewing gum, ice cream, candy, liquid and beverages in less than 0.5%, and it is also used in perfumes, natural sweets, foods and scents, etc. Fruit scents, etc. Then almond, apricot, butterscotch and other aroma may be partially employed to compound of the distilled scent smell. So cinnamaldehyde can be used in a food adulterant and powder. Some big nut husk aromatized with a cinnamaldehyde can be marketed powder cinnamon in this case. So adulterant we can identify in that case, bug husk, buckwheat husk, and your cinnamon. So some breakfast cereals contain much of the cinnamonaldehyde. Also, cinnamonaldehyde has been tested for the safe and effective insecticide for the mosquito larva also. So concentration of 29 per ppm cinnamonaldehyde kills half of mosquitoes larvae in a 24 hours. So it is also as insect repellent. Then insecticide, instead of insect repellent, insecticide. Also, it is also used in insect repellent, that is transform of this cinnamonaldehyde work as a particular fumigant and particular repellent of the some adult mosquito also. So these are all about the uses of this some important carbonyl compound from your syllabus. So thank you all of you for the listening in last video, and many of the videos from this chapter unit third. It is a more large unit for your from your syllabus. So thank you once again to all of you for the